In case your rear bumper has seen better days and you need to replace it, you can do that on your own without visiting a workshop. You just need to undo 10 bolts and the rear bumper will be off. Let's start by removing the liners from the trunk on the left side and also on the right side, because they are hiding the bolts, and also there are two bolts, one here and one here. In order to remove the liner, you would see here there is a hole and should be a clip, and you need to remove this one, and after that you just pull this and you would see this clip goes here, and that's it. You now just need to wiggle this out. Small tip for putting back the liners: you would see this groove, and basically the edge of this liner that protects the fuel tank needs to go in this groove. And also here's it would be tricky to put some corners as well, so you need to maybe remove this liner completely and then try it, but you would need few tries to make them align perfectly, so don't. After all bolts are undone, I always put the liners underneath the bumper, or you can use something else so it does not get damaged even more. Now we need to pull this side and then pull it to ourselves, and it will drop down, and then the same for other side. Let's do that. Small tip when putting the bumper back: first align the bolts on the back of the bumper with the holes and then the corners. It's way easier to do it like that. And yeah, that's it. So thanks a lot for watching. If not already, please subscribe and let me know in the comments if you would love to remove this inner piece of the bumper itself in the new video. Thanks a lot.